Hello guys, this is the video that you guys are mostly waited for this, and this is the to the point guide of the Trojan bot and how you can guys do some copy trading on meme coin, mostly the trending one. So basically the thing is, first you need to go to the birdeye.so and switch to Solana blockchain. When you switch to Solana blockchain, you will go to the profitable trader and just go to the 7 days or daily. Okay, so you will highlight these, and if you want you can just head toward the GMGN and just paste the wallet address, and you will find a wallet. See the 100% win rate. So once you have just copy the address and head toward the Trojan on Solana, you will see the Solana_Trojan bot, or I will mention my link, referral link in the description. Basically the referral link help you to reduce the 10% of the fees. So basically this is the demo referral that I will share with you guys, and the current balance is 0%, and you just need to copy the address of the wallet and send some photon balance to this wallet. So you guys are familiar with how to use phantom wallet, and then how you guys can transfer the fund into the on the addresses. So just when you go to your Solana, and let me show you my fake wallet, for example. So this is also my fake wallet, one of what the fuck is this password? Oh my god, I have various wallet. So recently for the meme coin I will suggest you to switch between various wallet. So basically why, the reason is sometime your fund will be get able to hack or something like that. I have faced so many problem. If you have do not put the funds, if you have 5k, if you make $5,000, and do not put the funds into your software wallets, just switch it to the hardware wallet or Tether. So yeah, so this is the my see the Trench AI I just buy, and now it's so much down. So yeah, this is what it is. I just withdraw my Trench AI and chill guys, and only left 2 chill guy, and yeah, I think it's the 291 Trench AI. So you want to send the money, you just select the Solana and just copy, and then you should go to the recipients and select the amount, and that's it. So yeah, see invalid Solana address, but you need to just select the amount, and yeah, for example let me just give you the overview. Where is the phantom wallet? I don't know why it's saying that thing, but yeah, Solana, yeah, now it's good. So this is the address that you want to send, and this is what it is. It's simple. Yeah, so this is the bot. Okay, this is your buy button, this is your sell button, this is your positions. When you just buy and sell, it will go to your positions and limit order and DCA orders and copy trader and sniper. These two things, and trenches and sniper are new. I will cover in other video. And the referral, that the one I am using, that if you just go to my referral link, you will have to reduce the 10% fee, and your fee will be reduced. And this is the setting, I will cover this later, and the bridge and withdraw and everything it is in. So let's go to the Copytrade, and now I just need to copy the wallet address that I want to copy. So basically I will copy this address, for example, and you will see the wallet that I am copying. So let's go to the new wallet, and the testing is the target wallet. So enter the target wallet. I want to track this wallet and just paste the address. Yeah, so right now this is the setting that I am using. The slippage is 15% at advanced features. If you just go to the setting, the duplicate buy, yes, only re-announce, no, and exclude pump.fun token, no, because basically the most of the pump.fun tokens are scam. If they buy duplicate buys. Basically, if they buy like Pepe coin 10 time, I will buy with my Pepe coin also 10 time, but the amount that I just set is the things that I set, it's quite difficult, different, and the thing is like auto sell off, and the retire is also off. And the basically the drawback of the copy trading is that you will lose your money so much, and there is a less likely chance to double your money. And the copy trading is not simple, guys. Many YouTubers say that copy trading is very easy, but it's not simple. So yeah, if we just select the pause all, it will pause everything, but we just need to slippage set the slippage, like I am setting the slippage setting like 2%. If just set to the 2% slippage, and the sell Solana gas fee, and the gas fee is also very little, and the buy percentage is 100 because I want to buy and copy sells. It's mean that the person who the person address that you are copying, if they sell like their 50% of the position, and it will also sell the 50% of the position, like it's all depend on the your buy percentage. Yeah, so with 50%, if the target buy 1 Solana, you will buy 0.5 Sol. You will get my point. And if you want to buy with a fixed Solana amount, instead enter a number 0.1 Solana and buy with 0.1 regardless target buy. So basically I just leave it to the simple, and my strategy is simple. I just copy the address and paste it, and I just don't do the Trojan thing, because the thing is that there is so much risk, and I don't want to lose my money, because the copy trading is the not for the beginner. And the thing is the reason behind the copy trading, it's a FOMO. Basically it's a trend. So do your own research, do your own technical analysis of the token that is coming, and do not trade with the copy trade, because they have, if you just see his balance, they have so much money and you guys don't have money. See, if they will lose so much money. See, so it's not a big thing that they are doing basically. So do not fall for the trap and the YouTubers basically, and do not go basically in the copy trading. It's all the gambling is happening, and in the atmosphere. So but for the fun purposes, if you have the money to risk, then you can do some copy trading. For example, like you cannot turn the $5 into like $500 or $10, but there is a less likely chance to do $5 into $6, and then $6 can go up to $7, but then you will lose your money. But because there is so much lose rate also, so there is also a win chance and there is also a lose chance. So 90% of the meme coin is the rug basically. So these will what is doing, they have a big capital and they are buying like $10, $100, $1,000, investing on every coin. The strategy that I use, I just do on the photon and just quick buy the setting, and yeah, this is what it is. So do not fall for this trap. And yeah, if you like the more copy trading option, yeah, so you guys just need to the slippage amount and the copy sells, yes, and the buy percent is 100%, and these two setting is also very necessary. You can set the gas fees like this, and just copy my setting. And if you want to add like new and the target wallet, so if I want to add the other target wallet, I can give you also a tip, like go to Copytrade on the GMGN. It's also a very good thing. So just copy the third and second address. So the win rate is also, check the win rate, like how much win rate is he have. Yeah, so the win rate is like 100%. So just paste the address and deposit the Solana. Yeah, and the tag is like I want to show the third whale. So yeah, I set the third whale target and the buy and sell, and the thing is it will also start. So yeah, the buy percentage is also set, and everything is set, and the target wallet is also set. So the thing is almost ready. Let's buy with the 100%. So everything is set, and if I just press the green button, it will just start the thing, and the thing will get to functional basically. And if I just get to delete, it will get deleted. It's okay. You will learn how to do this, because if you follow all these instruction, you will get to know. And this bot is very good, and the Trojan bot. And yeah, the link is in description. If you want anything, I will cover the later in the video how you guys can do some sniper and trenches. Yeah, it is also very useful right now. Like if you go to the trenches, for example, you can see the new coin upcoming, which has the potential, and the thing that the volume is 0.1k, the agent. So these are the coin that have a potential. But remember guys, do not fall for this. And if you just do press the rocket icon, you can buy everything. So these are the thing that no one is telling you. And if you go for the snipers, let me just show you some sniper. So it's saying that Trojan on Solana, notification on. So it's not a good tool for sniping. Instead, you can use the soul scanner. It's like professional. Let me show you where it is. Yeah, soul sniper portal. I don't know where the heck it is. Where's the bonk bot? Yeah, bonk bot is also very useful. I will make a dedicated video on this. It is for deck screener or something like that. And the where is it is? Yeah, this is a sniper bot that I use. You guys can also copy the username, and I will make a video on this. And it's also very risky. So these are the wallet that if you copy and import the wallets, and basically it will follow all the Wales wallet and do sniping for you. So it is also a profitable strategy, but there is a highly chance of risk here, and I don't want you guys to lose everything on the meme coin. And if you want to do grow your money, instead of investing meme coin, I will suggest you to buy some altcoin which has a potential to break to at least to 2x to 10x. It is a safe investment for you, and do not fall for this trap. And if you want to make some money, then you can make money on the meme coin. So thank you. I will make a community when we complete our 5k subscriber. So the community, in the community of the YouTube, if you go to my channel and if you go in the community section, you will find some free signals regarding to the Solana meme coin, and also the altcoin that I am looking for free. And I am working with many YouTubers to do some collaboration. And yeah, so this is what it is, and I will try my best to produce my high quality content. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, stay tuned for more, and happy holidays, and enjoy your holidays and weekends. Thank you.